In this video, we'll show you how to customize your Boise State degree tracker plan by changing your semester course load and adding additional courses. If you're unsure how to get to your degree tracker plan, please watch our How to Access Degree Tracker video for a detailed walkthrough. Degree Tracker automatically creates a graduation plan with a set number of courses per semester. But what if that plan doesn't quite fit your schedule? Let's look at how to adjust it. First, find the Preferences section at the top of your academic plan. Click Edit Preferences to make changes. Here, you can change the target number of units for any semester. You can also add or remove entire semesters, including fall, spring, or summer. For example, let's say Billy Bronco wants to take a summer class to graduate a semester early. He simply will add a semester term with the total number of units he would like to take. To remove a semester, Billy would just click on the minus sign right next to the semester of his choosing, then click OK. Billy then can add or even remove units from semesters to accommodate wanting to graduate early. And don't worry, if you ever want to go back to the original plan, just click Reset Defaults. When you're finished, click OK. Degree Tracker will automatically update your suggested course schedule based on your new preferences. What if you want to take a course that currently isn't in your plan? Just find the semester you want to add the course to and click Add Course. Now, select the subject and catalog number for the course you'd like to add. You'll also need to choose a reason for adding it. In this case, Billy Bronco is adding an art class just for fun during his senior year. A quick tip, always check the course catalog for any required prerequisites or co-requisites before you plan to enroll. And please remember, your degree tracker is a planning tool. The official schedule of classes has the final say on when courses are offered. Always double-check the live schedule before registration. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to degreetracker@boisestate.edu. You can also visit the registrar's website at www.boisestate.edu/registrar/.